in this chapter, which means we have a wonderful test coming up. Today we're going to talk about graphing square roots. All right. So, first of all, the parent function y equals the square root of x is a graph that starts at the origin, 0, 0, and it's the top half of a parabola on its side. If it had the negative one, you know how it's plus and minus? That's the positive one is the top half. The negative one would be the bottom half of the parabola. But we're only working with the top half. Okay? Square root x is simply that half a curve. Half a parabola. So now, remember that we can translate that half a parabola. We can flip it, we can stretch it, we can compress it, we can move it right, we can move it left, move it up, and we can move it down. So the translation formula is y equals a square root x minus h plus k. It should feel familiar. We've done it a lot. A, remember that if a is greater than 1, this is a stretch. It's going to take that curve and make it a steeper curve.
I like this.
If a falls between 0 and 1, that's a compress. It's going to take that curve and push it flatter. If a is less than 0 or it's negative, it's going to flip over. And it would be the bottom of the curve.
In that case, how far it goes up on the y-axis? Okay, that was that case.
Yes, we're getting there, yep. So underneath the square root, this is how it tells us if we're moving right or left. Remember we set what's under there equal to 0, right? And solve it. And k tells us if we're going up or down.
Yeah.
Good. So here we go. Example number 1. This is for problems 8 through 14. Graph. Start off with an easy one. Let's say I have y equals the square root of x plus 5. You go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, and we draw a curve. That's it. Okay, try another one. What if I had y equals the square root of x minus 3? This means I'm going which direction?
Right, left. Or right 3.
Right 3, that I agree with. Good job. So then on my graph, I'm going to go from the origin to the right 3. So it's going to start right here, and it's the top half.
Right, left.
Questions so far?
No.
Told you today was going to be good. All right, here we go with example number 2. Example number 2. Graph. Let's go with y equals square root of x minus 3 minus 2. So first, let's describe what's happening. This says we're going to the right 3 and down 2. So go to our graph. We're going to go to the right 3, down 2, put a dot, and that's where we draw our curve. do one more underneath that example. All right, let's get really tough. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Y equals negative 3 square root x plus 1 plus 4. All right, so we're going to start at the beginning. What's the minus do? Flip. Yep, flip. What's the 3 do?
Compress.
No, compresses if it's a fraction. Stretch. Good. We're going to stretch 3. Okay, which direction are we going? Good. Left 1. And what else?
Up 4.
Perfect. Good job, you guys. Up 4. Okay. So we're going to start by, let's do our left 1, up 4. Okay, it's going to flip, so our curve is going the bottom side. And if it's stretching, it's going to go steeper. That's it. Just looking for a sketch to show me you know what is happening. Okay? Well, yeah, but I got a few more things to tell you. That's all right, Ron. We got this. All right. Let's see. So these examples were for problems number 16 through 20. Now, we talked about a square root. I want to talk about a cube root. The parent function, y equals the cube root of x, actually takes the two pieces of our square root and puts them together. So, if I have a cube root, from the origin I get the top part of the parabola over there, and this is what's special, I get the bottom part of the parabola over here. Kind of makes like an S curve you see on the roads all the time, right? So what do you think we can do with this? We can now move it up, down, right, left, stretch, compress, and flip. All right, so here we go with example number 3. And this is the rest of your problems today. Graph. Y equals the cube root of x plus 1 minus 6. Good.
Left 1.
Good. Left 1, I agree, and down 6. Good job, Parker. All right, so I'm going to go to the left 1 and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This right here is the middle of our S curve. So from that dot, I curve the top half, go back to my dot, and curve the bottom half. It's not. Oh, you're not moving anything. Yep. So the only other thing is if I were going to stretch it, it's kind of like grabbing this string and grabbing that string and stretching it steeper. So it would be a wider S. And if I was going to compress it, it would be a flatter S, right? That's the only difference. Do we have any questions? No? We're good? Guys ready to get started? Okay. You still have 15 minutes.